Okay, good morning, students. All of you, good morning. Today, topic is derivatives of logarithmic functions. Derivatives of logarithmic functions. Yesterday, already discussed the formulas, logarithmic derivatives, logarithmic formulas. Derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. Fundamental logarithmic formulas. Log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. Log a power m is equal to m into log a. Okay, log a to the base b is equal to log a by log b, and a very important formula, e power log f of x, e power log f of x to the base e is equal to f of x. So this one. Okay, next what is the implicit function? So x plus y is equal to 0. 2x square plus 3y square, combined the x and y terms, variables. Next, what is the inverse trigonometric functions? So sine inverse of, cos inverse of, this one. The exponential, a power, e power, sine inverse x, this type of formulas already completed. Next today, logarithmic differentiations. When will apply the logarithmic differentiation? When we have to apply the logarithmic differentiation? What is the difference between differentiation and exponential differentiation, logarithm differentiation? Normal differentiation means differentiation. Exponential function differentiation means derivative of exponential functions. These separate logarithmics. For example, logarithmic differentiation. So derivative of some number, I don't know, one person ask me, derivative of a equal to what? Derivative of a is equal to 0. A is a constant. Derivative of a power b. In derivative, x with respect to x means x, the given function, y is equal to something. X, y both are not 0, not a constant. Derivative not 0. Remaining all are 0. For example, sine inverse, one example already given some examples. Derivative of sine inverse a. Sine inverse x derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Sine inverse of a 1 by root of 1 minus a square, and derivative of a 0, that's why the total is 0. 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Actually, for example, d by dx of sine inverse x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square, and derivative of x also, everyone the same procedure. X only sine inverse not decided, not a this type of procedure. Same procedure. D by dx of x, x means x, derivative of x 1, no, that's why. Okay, that's why not consider them. For example, d by dx of sine inverse a, maximum some students, clever students or thinking students, directly 0. Some clever students get answer is 0 directly written, because so sine inverse is a function, a constant, because here there is no variable with respect to x, there is no x, and the function is given y is equal to y, there is no y and there is no x. So x, y, there is no y and there is no x means this is a constant 0. This is the clever students' opinion. Next, some students is blindly blindly going. Sin inverse A, sin inverse x की 1 by root of 1 minus x square. At the same way, sin inverse A also 1 by root of 1 minus a square, correct? But into, next, what is the next one? Derivative of A. Which one is variable like A? Derivative of A. Derivative of A, constant 2. Derivative of constant 2, 0. Derivative of constant 2, 0. 0 into something 0. 0 by something 0. This one. That's why first you think about first this is the constant function or not. Which type of function? Which formula will apply? We have to apply. This is the first 2-3 seconds or 10 seconds. Okay. Next, for example, x power n, no, derivative of x power n, no, derivative of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1, no. This is also exponential function. Okay, any function a power x, e power x is exponential function, but this is a base power. This is a formula of x power n formula, because the power is constant, where base is a variable, power is constant to base variable means to apply the formula x power n formula. Okay. Next, derivative of d by dx of, for example, 2 power x. 2 power x is not a constant term because the x is a variable. Here also x is a variable. So this is the exponential function, because this is base is the constant, is power is variable. This is the formula of a power x. A power x, derivative of a power x into log a. A means base. 2 power x into a is equal to what? 2. Base e. There is no base means e. Fix this one. So now this is also applies the logarithm function. So for example, y is equal to x power n, no. Take logarithms both sides. Log y is equal to log x power n. Log x power n is equal to n into log x. Derivative with respect to x. Log x, derivative of log x 1 by x, log y 1 by y, and derivative of y dy by dx is equal to n constant 2, derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. So what we want? Dy by dx is equal to n into n by x into y. What is y? Y is equal to x power n, n by x into x power n. X power n by x, a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So n into x power n minus 1. The exponential functions and normal x power n type of formulas also will apply the logarithms, but there is no use, because this is direct method, simple logarithms to apply the formula derivative. This is lengthy procedure, but lengthy procedure, this procedure also correct, not must be compulsory. There is no compulsory. Okay, first one function given function, observe that first this is the formula of x power n or a power x. The base variable means x power n, power variable means a power x. So next, which type of functions we have to apply logarithms? Which type of functions? For example, y is equal to x power x. Y is equal to x power x. Y is equal to x power x. Here look at this, x power x, base and power. base and power both are variables. Here x power n is the power constant, the exponential function is base constant, any one is the constant, but here there is no constant, both are variables, both are variables. So this type of problems we have to apply logarithms by using the logarithmic differentiation. Logarithmic differentiation. So y is equal to x power x, so there is no formula. Don't apply x power n formula. Don't apply x power n formula. It is completely 100% is wrong. So take logarithms both sides. Log y. Log y is equal to log x power x, that is equal to x into log x, because formula log a power m is equal to m into log a. Power goes to left side. The power, any power or negative or positive or fraction, any power goes to left side. So derivative again not again, first time. Derivative of log x 1 by x, derivative of log y 1 by y into derivative of y is equal to u into v formula, both are variables. Here n into log x, only log x is a variable, n is a constant. Constant into variable is equal to k into u. Derivative of k into v is equal to k into u dash. That's why not apply the uv formula. So here both are variables, must be apply u into v formula. U into derivative of log x 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x1. So dy by dx is equal to xx cancel, e 1 by y goes to right side, y into 1 plus log x. So dy by dx is equal to, y is equal to what? X power x. Y means what? X power x. 1 plus log x. This is the important result. Derivative of x power x is equal to x power x into 1 plus log x. This is the important result. Okay, look at this.
Finish that?
I let know, sir.
I needed this one.
Now we start.
Now you start. Correct. Continue.
Okay, are you clear? Clear. Next, exercise 5.5. The third one is log x whole power cos x. Third one, y is equal to log x whole power cos x. This one, log x is a variable and power cos x is a variable. So apply the take logarithms both sides. So log y is equal to log of log x whole power cos x, log of log x whole power cos x. So power goes to, so cos x into log of cos x into log of log x, u v differentiate with respect to x. Okay, following log x 1 by y into y derivative dy by dx u into, u means what, cos x into u into v formula, derivative of log x, derivative of, this is the totally v function, derivative of log x, here x is what, log x, this is x, log x derivative 1 by x, 1 by log x into derivative of log x, again derivative of x, plus log of log x into derivative of d by dx of cos x. So dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to y into cos x by log x, derivative of log x 1 by x, plus log of log x, derivative of cos x minus sin x. Enough. So simplify. What is y? Y is equal to log x whole power cos x, cos x by log x into 1 by x minus sin x into log of log x. This one. Okay. Okay, next. The first one is y is equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. The third problem is only one way apply the logarithms, logarithmic differentiation, only one way. So this problem, so many ways. First one, u into v into w formula, u into v formula, three functions in between multiply, u into v into w formula, and simplify by the trigonometric, simplify by the trigonometric, cos a 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. That's second procedure. The third one, apply the logarithms. Apply the logarithms is not a compulsory, but easy to. So 3 ways. What is the first way? First way is U into V into W formula, ORR trigonometry formula to divide 2 by 2, take 2 by 2, 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B formula, 2 cos A cos B is equal to what? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, this type. Third one is logarithmic differentiation. So I am applying logarithmic differentiation. If you any interest means, if anyone is interested means, take any other models, other procedures. First take logarithms both sides. Log y is equal to log of cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. What is the formula? Log formula. Log A into B into C is equal to log A plus log B plus log C. So log y is equal to log A log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. So differentiate with respect to x, 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to derivative of log x, 1 by x into derivative of x. X means what? Cos x plus 1 by cos 2x into derivative of cos 2x. Okay, next plus 1 by cos 3x into derivative of d by dx of cos 3x. So dy by dx is equal to y into derivative of cos x minus sin x by cos x plus 1 by cos 2x into derivative of cos 2x minus sin 2x into 2, because derivative of x 1, no, derivative of 2x 2, plus 1 by cos 3x into minus sin 3x into 3. So what is y? Y is equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. So LCM, what is LCM? Cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x, cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x LCM. So here what? All are minus, but okay, minus sin x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Next minus sin 2x minus 2 sin 2x into cos x into cos 3x minus 3 sin 3x sin 3 sin into cos x into cos 2x. This one is cancel. Common minus. Enough. Common minus. This is the model. A textbook answer is there is no common LCM. Textbook answer is up to this one, cos 2x into cos 3 cos 3x, sin by cos tan, sin 2x by cos 2 tan 2x, sin 3x by cos 3x is equal to tan 3x. This is textbook answer. Okay. If you want textbook answer, then what is y? Cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x minus equal to minus, common with minus, sin by cos tan x plus 2 tan 2x plus 3 tan 3x. This is the textbook answer. Okay, next model is the model. Every model has one problem. What I am telling, I am telling each model one problem. The remaining we will try. Okay, this is the first model, trigonometric model. This is next model, log xo, another model. The next model is y is equal to root of, second one, y is equal to root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 x minus 4 by x minus 3 x minus 4 into x minus 5. There is no using the logarithm differentiation. By the direct differentiation method, first of all apply the root x, 1 by 2 root x, and the derivative of x, u by v formula, and again u into v formula. Both very lengthy and difficult. Okay, so that's why apply the logarithm. Take logarithms both sides. Log y is equal to log of x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 whole power 1 by 2. Okay, you can write this step. Is it correct? Power, root means power. What is the logarithm formula? Log a power m is equal to what? M into log a. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into log x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into log a by b formula. Log a by b is equal to log a minus b. Log x minus 1 into x minus 2. Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. Log x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. So again apply the formula log a into b. Log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Log a into b is equal to log a into log b formulas. Log a power m is equal to m log a. Log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. So minus of, but log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 minus log x minus 5. So This is log y. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into log x, derivative of log x. 1 by x minus 1 into derivative of x minus 1. Again must be derivative of x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1, derivative of x 1, no, derivative of 1 0. Not write directly, oh log x 1 by x, it is not correct. Log x 1 by x and into derivative of x. 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. And simplify LCM x minus 1 and x minus LCM and simplify them. There is no gap, that's why. So this one y also. Bring the y also. Y means this is y. Okay, this is the another method. Next, next one, seventh one, log x whole power x plus x power log x. Seventh one, y is equal to log x whole power x plus log x whole power x plus x power log x power log x. This is the two functions, in between plus or minus, anyone. Okay, actually log x whole power x, y is equal to log x whole power, directly apply the logarithms and get the answer. And finally this is log a into log b formula is there, but log a plus b formula is not there. Not apply don't apply direct logarithms both sides. In previous problems, all problems directly apply the logarithms both sides. Here don't apply the logarithms both sides because there is no log of a plus b formula. Log a plus b formula, there is no log of a plus b formula. That's why separately we have to derive separately and adding them. The first of all, take u is equal to log x, u is equal to log x whole power x, v is equal to x power log x. First, u is equal to log x whole power x, taking logarithms both sides. Okay, we have to do separately, not combined, because there is no formula of log of a plus b. So log u is equal to log of log x whole power x. So that is equal to x into log of log x. X into log of log x. So u into v formula. Differentiate with respect to x, derivative with respect to x, 1 by u dash, u into v formula, u into derivative of v, derivative v means log of log x, this is function log x, this is x, derivative of log x 1 by x, here x is what? Log x, into derivative of log x 1 by x, plus log of log x into x derivative 1. So u dash is equal to u into what is u? U into x cancel, 1 by log x plus log of log x. So what is u? U is equal to log x whole power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x. This one. Next v. V is equal to x power log x. Taking logarithms both sides. Log v is equal to log x power log x. So log x is left side, front side, log x into log x, that is equal to log x whole square. Okay, x power log x. So differentiate with respect to x, 1 by v into v dash is equal to log x whole square. Log x whole square formula, x square formula. X square formula 2 into log x. X square derivative 2x into derivative of log x. So v dash is equal to what is v? X power log x into, if v goes to right side, x power log x into 2 log x, derivative of log x 1 by x. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. What is the first problem? Y is equal to u plus v. You have to derivative of y, dy by dx is equal to u dash plus v dash. What is the u dash? U dash is log x whole power, adding the 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. Okay, log x whole power x, 1 by log x into 1 by log x into log of log x, 1 by log x plus 1 by log x plus log of log x plus what is v dash? V dash is x power log x, same as it is. You lost some problem is there. Okay, x power log x into 2 log x by x. Okay, the last one is you can't see, last one you can't see, that's why v up to v dash, okay. And next from this one, y is equal to u plus v, derivative of y, dy by dx is equal to u dash plus v dash. U dash is there, v dash is there, only substitute this. Okay, you can't see in the last one. This is the another model. Okay, Next model. Okay, next 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. These are same to this problem. Next 13th problem. Y power x is equal to x power y. 13th problem. Y power x is equal to x power y. This type of problems. This type of problems can apply taking logarithms both sides. So taking logarithms both sides. Okay. Log y power x is equal to log x power y. Power goes to left side. X into log y is equal to y into log x. U into v formula. U into v formula. Differentiate with respect to x. So u into v formula, u into v dash. Derivative of log y 1 by y into y derivative dy by dx. Okay. X u into v dash plus log y v into u dash. Log y into derivative of x 1. That is equal. This is also u into v. U into derivative of log x 1 by x plus v into log x into derivative of y dy by dx. Next step is dy by dx terms one side and remaining terms other side. So 1 by y into dy by dx minus log x into dy by dx is equal to y by x minus log y. This one, y by x minus log y. So common dy by dx. Dy by dx common means 1 by y minus log x is equal to y by x minus log y. So LCM dy by dx, okay, into LCM y 1 minus y log x is equal, here x is LCM y minus x log y. This time goes to right side. So finally dy by dx is equal to, okay na, this one, y reverse, y by, here is this x, into y minus x log y, y minus x log y by 1 minus y log x. This one. Okay. Okay, maximum models are completed. The remaining are you have to try. And next I will continue the next class.